Welcome to JD's Prep. In this problem, we want to know which of the following three situations is best modeled by an exponential function. The first situation is a bacteria culture doubles in size every day. The second one is a plant grows by 1 inch every 4 days. And the third one is a population of a town declines by 5% every 3 years. And the key for identifying the exponential models is that your quantity has to be multiplied by the same amount at a regular interval. It's always going to be dealing with some sort of multiplication. And so we want to look at the three situations that are described here and see which ones involve a quantity that is being multiplied by a certain amount on a regular basis. For the first one, we said that a bacteria culture doubles in size every day. And the key word here is that it's doubling in size. That means that every day that goes by, the size of the bacteria culture is multiplied by 2. So that suggests to us that an exponential function can be used to model the size of the bacteria culture. So number 1 is one that we're going to want. For the second situation, we're told that a plant grows by 1 inch every 4 days. So the quantity in this case is the size of the plant, and we're told that it grows by 1 inch every 4 days. Growing by 1 inch is implying that the size adds on 1 inch every 4 days. Since this is addition and not multiplication, this would be more suited to a linear model, not an exponential model. So we don't want number 2. For the third one, the population of a town declines by 5% every 3 years. With this one, the key being that it declines by 5%. And since we're talking about a percentage here, what's going on with this population is that every 3 years, we can take the previous population and multiply it by 0.95 to get the new population. Since this also involves multiplication on a regular interval, an exponential model would be good to represent it. So for this problem, both numbers 1 and number 3 are examples of situations that can be modeled by an exponential function, making number 4 our correct choice. The key again for exponential functions is to remember that you want the quantity to be multiplied by something on a regular basis. Whether you're talking about doubling, tripling, or increasing or decreasing by a certain percentage every so often, those are going to imply that you're multiplying by a certain amount, which lends itself well to an exponential model.